FRSC don introduce new mobile app to take combat road crashes. NBA condemn fuel price hike. NIN na requirement to buy 50kg bag of rice at 40,000 naira. Federal government no stop under 18-year-old candidate from writing WAEC (NECO). Burkina Faso don launch new passport wey no get ECOWAS logo. Christiano Ronaldo don make history as him become first player to score 900 goals. Alright, make I use that one to welcome una on top of this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori wit Baba Future. Today, the 7th day of September 2024. How na dey country family? How things for the move for Nathan put for there? I hope say the week no dey too stressful, and I believe say you dey enjoy the weekend already. Una no forget say na for here we go dey give you plenty informate and stories of matter wey don shele from Monday go reach Friday even till this early momo. How things dey move now? Make I use this one dey celebrate and dey wish every single person wey dey do their wedding today. I dey wish you happy marital bliss. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. This one, e don dey ready, e don dey set because plenty informate full ground. Iboku, if you don ready, make we do this one again. The very first story of matter wey shele in the course of the week na im talk say FRSC don introduce new mobile app to take combat road crashes. The Federal Road Safety Corps don introduce one new mobile app plus include the National Crash Reporting Information System to take improve road safety plus address road traffic crashes across Nigeria. That one na TinTinNi. Another TinTinNi Tori wey dey for here na im talk say NBA condemn fuel price hike. The Nigerian Bar Association don condemn the recent increase for pump price of fuel by the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. The new NBA president Mazi Afam Osigwe talk say the sharp rise for the pump price from 565 naira per litre to 900 naira no dey acceptable. Now on top TinTinNi Tori wit Baba Future na for there na still tanda. Another tori wey dey for here na im talk say NIN na requirement to buy 50kg bag of rice at 40,000 naira. Na federal government talk this one. The federal government don announce say na only buyers wey get national identification numbers go benefit as im commence the sale of 30,000 metric tons of milled rice to Nigeria for subsidized rate of 40,000 naira per 50kg bag. Another TinTinNi Tori wey dey for here na im talk say federal government no stop under 18-years-old candidate from writing WASSC and NECO. The Federal Ministry of Education don clarify say the ministry never stop students wey no dey up to 18 years old from writing the West African Senior School Certificate Examination and the National Examination Council exam. Another TinTinNi Tori wey dey for here na and this one carry us sharply enter inside Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso don launch new passport wey no get ECOWAS logo. Burkina Faso don introduce one new biometric passport wey no get the logo of the Economic Community of West African States wey forward march solidify im comot from the regional bloc. Na this move shele after Burkina Faso plus include Niger and Mali bin cut ties with ECOWAS on top military coup wey happen for the three countries. The last and the very last informative wey dey for here na im carry us sharply enter inside the exciting world of sports. Christiano Ronaldo don make history as im become first player to score 900 goals. Christiano Ronaldo don become first men's player for history to score 900 goals for official matches as im reach im latest milestone for Portugal UEFA Nations League match against Croatia inside Lisbon for Thursday. Alright, now with that one, I go to say my bye-byes on top of this weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori wit Baba Future. Una no forget say una fit follow us on top all our social media platforms on top TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at babafuture_on-air, and for there you go land gidigba. Alright, my name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo Baba Future. Until the next weekend, no change the die. I am yours forever. Una bye bye yo.